Hello guys, you have reached Regina TV and it is morning time. And today I decided to do something different with my hair. If you want to see what I'm about to do, then just stay tuned and don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. So let's get to the video. All right, well, it's morning time and I am about to experiment with my products. I want to see if mixing all my products up together will work on my hair. Instead of grabbing this bottle, grabbing that bottle, grabbing this bottle, I want to be able to grab one container, whether it's a bottle or a jar, and apply it to my hair. Well, guys, my products, I love them. I love my products, and I'm up playing with my hair, seeing what my hair will do, see what my hair, won't do. And I just reactivated my hair with water, on the sides and in the back. And I decided to try to experiment with this part right here. So let me get my products. Well, guys, I purposely kept an empty bottle of this. There's nothing in here. See, there's nothing in here. And it has a spray pump on it. So I am going to fill this bottle up with my products. Now you guys know that I love snapback, right? So I'm not going to make a lot of this because I don't know if it's going to work or not. All mixed up together for my hair or coming out the bottle. So I'm only going to mix a little bit up. Just enough for the bottle to be able to grab. I can put a little bit more of that in there. Okay, so we have the snapback in there. Okay, see it? It's in there. Then the other thing that I love to use is the detangling leave-in conditioner. So I am going to put some of that in there. Okay. Now the next thing that I am going to put in here is some Cantu Curl Wave Whip. I'm going to put some of this in here. My Cantu Curl Wave Whip. No, I don't have to open that. Well, I better open it up. There we go. Okay, so I got all this in here. And what I'm gonna put in here now is some water. It's fuzzy, but it's still just water. Put the top back on. So what I am about to do is apply this to my hair. Okay, I'm gonna shake it up. Now let's see also if it's gonna come out in a foam. Oh my goodness, now that surprised me. I was hoping that it was going to come out in a foam, but that did surprise me. All right, so my hair is set, it's styled, and I see that the curl pattern is the same. 1, 2, 3, applying it. And now I'm just going to wait till the end of the day, come back and see how it looks, at least when it dries or whatever it's going to do. But one bottle, that'll cut my time in half for when I'm trying to get ready and just go. So yeah. All right, guys, well, this is the end result. I mixed up my products in one bottle and I applied it to my hair, let it sit. I am ready to go about my day today, and this is the way it turned out. Now this will cut my time in half. And not only that, as I learn how to mix different products up together, it will only up my hair game. So guys, you have reached Regina TV. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification bell down below so you'll know my next video is coming out. Leave in the comments down below if this mixture worked for your hair. And I will talk to you later. Mwah.